Welcome back to another episode of the Shed Build. Today, what I'm going to do is go ahead and probably just go ahead and put the tops on right here. And then after I put the tops on, then I want to go ahead and get everything connected on all sides. Then I do want to say on this piece right here, I'm going to have to buy probably another one of these and shorten it to get it to where it's going to be level, but I really don't know until I get it up there. Kind of weird that this board is holding this whole thing up and it fell, but I want to go ahead and get it flush. I want to go ahead and get it flush. That way everything's on. So like I said, this piece right here is gonna be pushed back like that. Oh, my bad, I was reading my watch. This piece is gonna have to be pushed. I just pushed that piece back. So once I connect these pieces, all the ones that need to be pushed back will be going back. This will go back. It will be connected. It'll be back. I'll push this back to make it where it connects. I still need to figure out on this on why. I think I'm gonna have to get my thing and push this back. Push that back to where it's flush. So when I decide to go ahead and enclose it in here, it all makes sense. I'm gonna have to drill these screws out right here, this one and this one up under here, drill those two out and get it to where this is connected real flush with this. I think I just have to move the bottom and the top because I don't have to move the top. Yeah. I have to move this one. I have to move this one and get that one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the tools out and get that ready so we can get done. And get everything coated aesthetic and where it needs to be. So the whole thing is flush, so I'm going to get things built. This looks really nice except for here. It should mount up. Once I put the pieces on, it should mount up. Everything should be coated aesthetic once I get everything done and done right. Like I said, that wood, it should cover it, and if not, I'll just buy, an extra piece to where I can cover this up, and then go from there and get everything to work. So let's get into the video. Let me go ahead and get my stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff, and then first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and try to get this set to where it's over here, push back over here a little bit, and then get back. Hopefully this works. I can just move the bottom one instead of moving the top two. And then I'm gonna get this one done, and then after I get that done, then we're gonna go and try to get all this right here connected to one board, and then connect it, and then we're just gonna go from there. And then I'll just try to cut the access off, and then go from there, make it look coated aesthetic. Alright? We'll resume here in just a second. Okay, I grabbed my tool, and hopefully this works. This works how it's supposed to work. And we can get this out. Remember the last time I had to cut it out? We'll see if it works. I think it just moved to this where it needed to be. So let's check. Perfect. And I'll just drill it back in now. So that should work out. Perfect. That should work. Make sure I don't step any nails because I ain't trying to have go to the doctor and get a tetanus shot. Tetanus shot for not keeping everything down. So let's go. Look, we push that back. Once that goes back, that should be flush. That should be flush with the rest of that. Like I said, I'm thinking once I get that top up, then this should go back. Cause I was gonna put a piece of wood in there. Like I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about real quick. I was gonna put a piece of wood in between these and the top to make it where it stays, because that'd make it much easier. Or I can just bring my little pieces right there and put them back over here, because that will pull it back where it needs to be. I might just do that. I don't know if it's going to work. That's the reason why I had it that way. And if you notice, it's still on that one. That piece is still on that one. Piece is still on it. I'm gonna have to hurry and get this grass cut. And then I took it off of this one because this wasn't sturdy enough, or something to that effect. It was really retarded. Not retarded, but it was not right. It was not going to work for me. So I think I'm not going to put that one back on. I think I'm just going to leave it off. I got extra ones if need be, but I'm going to leave them off for now. And then we're going to go and try to get, like I said, the tops of these put on. So I'm going to grab the wood. Shut up, you dog. I know you're there. I know you know I'm there too. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this wood together, and then grab my ladder and get it in here, and then we're gonna start trying to get some other stuff knocked out, and then hopefully this week I can go ahead and try to get the outside wood, and then once I get the outside wood, then I'll work on the inside. Or I might just go ahead and, like I said, because it wouldn't be that much, I have extra wood, just go ahead and just cover these pieces here. Cover them all. But I kind of want the wood so that way this is covered right here. All that's covered to where you can't, I don't know, I just want to make it look presentable, guys. I know I'm probably making it harder than what it really is, but I want to make it presentable when I put my stuff in here. Not easy access to anything. Like I said, it's a little rocky here because it seems like this is the only thing that's holding this up is that piece down there, and this is rocky because it's not level. So I'm gonna stop chit-chatting. I'm just talking off to be talking off. I'm gonna grab this wood and we're gonna get those pieces put on. I'm gonna grab my ladder. So I will resume once I get everything, so we can go ahead and get the tops put on. But I know for sure we're gonna have to get a little thicker piece to go right there to where it connects to that, to where that connects to the pieces that I'm just gonna put on. And I can give you an idea real quick. Just give me 1 second. That way you know what I'm talking about and you won't get lost.